All of you, I'm making beguni here. I've already cut the brinjals into fine pieces. Here is the oil which is getting heated, and here is the basin which I have put jwain and mangrella, cumin seed and turmeric also, and a bit of salt. And I'll dip the beguni here, that is one by one, and then put it in the oil. I've reduced the flame so that it doesn't get burned. Take it upside down. The cooking should be in low flame or medium flame. You see how crunchy it is coming. Let it be cooked for some time. And now I'm covering it a lid for some time. See now the color, little bit of brownish is coming. And this beguni I've learned from my aunt and from my mom. And it would be a good Sunday brunch with rice and dal and beguni. Oh wow! So stealing the hearts of the children and the family members. Now I'll take it out one by one. A little bit of water was there. So see, and now I'm taking it out and putting it here. Another batch, I'm taking it out, putting it here. And another batch, I'm taking it out and putting it here. See. So the beguni is done.